A slushie is a great nostalgic treat, and we've created an adults-only version with some gin. We're going to do 3 flavors today, and all of them use the same principle, and you can just choose which flavor you want to use. So first of all, I'm going to do mandarin and orange. For the mandarins, I'm just going to peel the skin and just segment each of the pieces. And now with the oranges, you just want to segment them and get rid of that skin. So when you've got rid of all that skin, just give them all a rough chop. It's best to use seedless oranges. If you can't get any, just at this point, pick out the seeds. So in order to transform all this fruit into a slushie, we're going to get them into some Ziploc bags and freeze them overnight. For the other 2 flavors, the grapefruit and raspberry, do the same where you chop up the grapefruit and the raspberry and freeze them. And for the cucumber, lime and mint, just freeze up the flesh from the lime and the cucumbers chopped up as well. Okay, so we've got our frozen fruit. So first we're going to do that flavor of the mandarin and orange. So you'll see that they're completely solid and frozen. And this is where we use our food processor, and also about a cup of ice. And now you want to process that until it's all really nice and finely chopped. Okay, so the fruit's already quite sweet, but I'm just going to give it a little bit more of a boost. So I've got a 1/4 cup of sugar and just a tablespoon of hot water to dissolve it. So just go into your bowl and then straight into the mixture as well. And obviously we need some booze, so I'm going in with some gin, and we'll just process that again. So these are instant slushies, so you're going to serve them straight away. And this flavor just garnished with a little bit of orange or some mandarin, and it's good to go. And so we're going to repeat that process for the grapefruit and raspberry version, but I'm just using some store-bought frozen raspberries. And so again, just straight into your glass. And here I'm garnishing with some frozen raspberries, but I'm just going to crumble them on the top. And for the cucumber and lime flavor, we're going to repeat that process again and just use a handful of mint too. And for this cucumber, mint and lime version, just going to get our glass and just garnish it with a piece of cucumber and then just spoon it straight in. So there are our 3 flavors of the gin slushie. We've got grapefruit, raspberry, we've got cucumber, mint and lime, and orange and mandarin. So whatever your favorite fruit flavor is, chop it up, freeze it, and use that same approach and you'll have some beautiful slushies every time.